guys, it's me, Jacob, playing again 2K17, and it'll be a Fatal 4-Way, Samoa Joe, Finn Balor, Roman Reigns, Bray Wyatt, Extreme Rules, just like it was this year in real life. So we're probably going to be doing all these, gameplays of 2K17 real life, except for when I use my characters and another random wrestler. So those will be the only ones that aren't real matches. And we'll go. Okay, yo. You guys are watching this live. Let's see. One of you watching this live for some reason. I don't know why.
The four-man in the ring are set. One of the most chaotic contests a superstar can compete in is a fatal four-way. Anything can happen, and the match can be over in an instant.
Man, sounds like the lid is about to be blown off this place. Don't be surprised at all if these guys attempt to one-up each other in this one. But hey, this is what we signed up for, didn't we?
Fighting from a position of full health
here.
How about we touch on Finn Balor
Why
a
did you
bit?
go up there, Joe? You're supposed to freaking go out of the ring. Sorry, guys.
There's the bell, and here he is, the leader of the Wyatt family, Bray Wyatt.
Well, I know one thing for certain. We're going to get our money's worth in this one. It's every man for
You're not
himself.
part of the Wyatt family.
And hey, I still can't believe they pay me for this.
One more.
The combatants have entered the ring, the bell is rung, and we are underway. This is one of the most challenging matches.
Dude! Please, one more time. I don't want to freaking lose. I'm probably going to lose.
Oh, this is going to be a great match as Samoa Joe gets us started here.
I can't wait.
Everybody's optimistic at this point in the match, but one move and that could all change. It's every man for himself in a fatal four-way. But hey, all I know is that we should sit back and enjoy. Another WWE show is underway. Oh man, from the high rent district.
I wouldn't know what that's like.
I mean, that's how you pick your moment and go for it.
What are you...
Okay, guys, I want to talk a little bit about Bray Wyatt here.
You're stupid in real life. Like, take this.
Back in the ring again. Good. Keep it in the ring, guys. Get him back into the ring now.
King, you can take a breath. Get the crown that got knocked over. Going to the top. High risk.
No!
Nice.
Joe!
Everyone knows how that must feel.
Freaking ring.
Since Roman Reigns emerged from the audience of the 2012 Survivor Series, he has literally left a trail of broken bodies in his wake here in WWE. Reigns instantly became one of the most feared men in sports entertainment.
Yeah, you know, Cole, there are too many superstars that from the very moment they first appeared, we witnessed immediate destruction in their hands. That's Roman Reigns. Where did this explosion of offense come from? Roman Reigns gets rocked. Gosh, you sure have to be agile to get out of the way of something like that. Wow! If he keeps this up, this could be over quick.
He looks a bit off his game here. He's going to have to be careful. Three guys he's in there with want this match just as much as he does.
But regardless, the show has begun.
Looking at the career trajectory of Roman Reigns, it's a straight shot.
Why did you not? I hate you.
Reigns wasn't alone. As one-third of the faction known as the Shield, they became a dominant force in WWE and began systematically taking out WWE's top superstars. Here we go, back inside the ring.
What do you mean we? We're still outside the ring. Oh, it's them. They're inside the ring.
Stop doing that! It's freaking boring.
Narrowly avoids the attack there. Yeah, this body's been through hell, and his ribs have bore the brunt of the attack.
And I hope we can get a doctor out here as a precaution. Damaged ribs like that can make it hard to breathe. Roman Reigns has been responsible for some of the most brutal attacks this company has ever seen. Reigns has terrorized the likes of John Cena, CM Punk, The Undertaker, Daniel Bryan, Big Show, and even The Rock. And that's where the victim list starts.
Finn Balor starting to stumble now. He needs to find a way to get back on the offensive if he wants to take this fatal four-way match.
Well, I don't think at this point that we can count anyone in the ropes, and that may have been the only escape. What's going to happen now?
Oh my god, you stupid Joe.
And he gets into the ropes.
What do you mean?
Finn Balor going for it, controlling the tempo.
Bray Wyatt emerged in WWE in the summer of 2013, and, well, this company hasn't been the same since. He brought his family with him, and Bray's sights have been set on the Shield, Daniel Bryan, and John Cena. Bray Wyatt has made it very clear he is one big. This man. Oh, man, right off the skull.
Look at the eyes.
Oh, talk about getting stopped dead in your tracks. Bray Wyatt reverses it.
Thinking to avoid that. He's trying to fight back here. Can he do it?
Well, a fight back like that and then come up short is terrible.
This might be it. And the shoulder's up now. That's a kick out.
Nice.
There's no keeping this guy down tonight.
Oh, it's going to take more than that to keep him down tonight.
And a kick out.
And that's all that matters. This match continues. You know, it's hard to believe, but it looks like he still has some gas left in his tank.
And will this be? And the referee's count interrupted there.
Well, it just goes to show.
And he breaks the cover, forcing the referee to stop the count.
Well, that's just not enough to get the job done. Oh, it's going to take more than that to keep him down tonight.
Why did you go after freaking Bray? Now I got freaking hit by him.
And he makes it to the ropes.
So you can't get me.
Now back to the ring.
Back to the ring, outside the ring, in, out. This match is everywhere. Oh, wait, nice reversal.
Everybody, stop.
He's looking for the win. This may be it.
And it's Roman Reigns in a tough spot.
Oh, that's it. This one's got to be over after that. But hey, by the sounds of it, this crowd is ready for anything that happens tonight.
And it's Finn Balor trying to build momentum again. Bray Wyatt with his back against the wall. In my opinion, Bray Wyatt has got to get back into this. What are your thoughts?
You know, this match is far from over, Michael, and it can really go either way at this point.
Yeah, He made it. He made it to the ropes. We're looking at complete domination here. And here's a cover. 2. And it's Bray Wyatt executing the reversal.
Look out!
This is it. You
He's
got me.
stumbling some now. This is absolutely not how he envisioned this four-way match
Get
going,
up.
guys.
Boom, fan.
It's safe to say the entire WWE locker room has just been put on notice.
Hit you,
Oh,
fan.
look at that. He managed to get a shoulder up.
Well, like they say, Cole, timing is everything. Just when you thought it was over. Wow!
Can he score the pin?
What a win! Man, he's
Finn
got a
Balor.
break.
Bray Wyatt won.
Well, I don't know how you
Because
can
I
pick out
wanted
highlights
it
from
up.
that match. The
I
whole
want to
match was
attack him.
highlights.
But no. Smokey is so stupid. No wonder nobody likes him. Bye, guys. Not because I lost, because it was a stupid match. And I had to be Samoa Joe because the stupid game made me have to. Freaking mad. Now I got beat up and I couldn't get freaking Bray Wyatt stop Bray Wyatt from doing it. Because Balor was getting me and Samoa Joe's not getting it, so he couldn't get it. Stupid. Bye, guys. See you next time. 2K17. Hopefully I win next game. You know, 2K17.
K17, 2K17.